Okay guys, we're going to try experimenting with some more crock pot parts cleaning. So I got U-joint yokes in here, a bunch of C-clips and snap rings, and I mainly want to just get the paint off these so I can repaint them. But I do have a couple things that are greasy. I've got another one of these trunnions. This one, it's still got the oil light bushing in there. I don't know what's going to happen to that bronze, but I got a bunch of these. I'm not worried about it, so we'll see what happens. That's going in. That's got some good grease on it, a lot of rust, so it's going in. Okay, and then I've got a bunch of these heavy-duty coupling nuts. They got some grease. Bolts have a little bit of grease on them. I'm gonna try to make some machinist jacks out of these. Of course, all three are different. So anyways, they're going in. These are going in. All right, so normally we just use the purple tower. I kind of like this one. I think this one's a little better, but the regular Walmart one works great too, with a 3-to-1 water to cleaner ratio. But anyways, I want to do an experiment. We're going to try this. This is your typical crystal drain cleaner, and it is sodium hydroxide. So I've seen one other guy trying this, but he didn't use it with a crock pot or heat. He just did it with cold water. So I got this warming up. We're going to put some water in, and not sure how much of this to add, so we're going to just start slow and see what happens. Okay, so it's been about 5 hours. I've already got it unplugged. Haven't done anything else with it since the last time I added that extra cleaner. So let's see what we got here. We've got a bunch of scum kind of floating around on the top here. Let's see if I can get a hold of one of these large items. Okay, well, I was hoping to see the paint completely gone, but it's definitely got it loosened up. One of these other ones here. Looks like the grease is gone. Let's see what else we got here. See if I can find that gimbal. There's that bolt. All right, well, I'll tell you what, I'm gonna get all this stuff rinsed off, cleaned up, and I'll bring you guys back. But so far, I'm not that impressed. I think the purple cleaner is much better. Okay, got everything rinsed off. I just use a scrub brush and a little bit of dish soap and just run it under the faucet. So it actually came out a little better than I thought. Most of the paint came off. So I think I'm going to call this successful. Although on the next one I think I'm going to do a blend. Some purple power and some of the drain cleaner mixed together. Did a great job on getting all the grease off. Here's that little gimbal. I mean, it was pretty greasy. There's nothing on it. Here's the top part of it. I try to keep it in the sun here. Let me move you a little closer here. Yeah, so I mean, it didn't seem to hurt the bronze at all, so it looks fine. I mean, there's some wear inside, but you know, that wasn't from the cleaning. And there's the foot. Yeah, I mean, it doesn't do anything for the rust. And then here's these guys. I think these will make some nice screw jacks. Fine thread. Bolts came out nice and clean. Even had this screw plate die, and I don't know how well this is showing up, but I mean, it took it right down to the original. I guess that's a die forging. Maybe it's a casting, I don't know, but this is just a guide. There's the screw plate. Greenfield, little giant. Pretty beat up, but it's clean. And of course, the cutters. I mean, it got everything out of there. All right, so and then I got a ton of these snap rings. So they were all greasy and covered with paint. So a little easier to see which ones are good and which ones are bad now. All right, well, there you go. We're going to call this a wrap. And if you're looking for a way to really get some parts clean without a lot of effort, I'd give this a try. I think it's I've been using it quite a bit, and I tell you, I'm happy with the way it works. So, okay, guys. Until next time, we'll catch you on the next one. Okay, so now I got to get this crock pot back into the kitchen before the wife notices it's missing. I know. I'll start up a batch of chili verde. She'll never know the difference. Okay, I'm out of here.